Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can resolve the problem that Internet Explorer constantly opens Microsoft Edge, meaning that you open Internet Explorer but it opens Microsoft Edge by default. So I'm going to show you how you can resolve this problem. So if you don't know, Internet Explorer is present in your laptop by default and many less people use it because it is mostly out of date. We usually use Edge or Google Chrome, but if for some reason you want to use Internet Explorer, you're going to see that whenever you're going to open Internet Explorer, it's going to open Microsoft Edge by default. So for some reason, if you want to open Internet Explorer, I'm going to show you how you can resolve this problem. I came into this problem and I was doing some software testing, or I would say web testing, using Microsoft Visual. I needed Internet Explorer for that purpose, but it wasn't opening. So here I am on my Windows PC. First of all, I'm going to open Internet Explorer. Here it is. We're going to open Internet Explorer, and you have seen that it is opening Microsoft Edge by default. So this is not what we want. So it's pretty simple to solve this problem. Here, when you are opening Microsoft Edge, make sure that you go on the top right side where you have these three little dots. Just press on it, and here you need to go down to settings. So we're going to have settings. Here it is on the very bottom. Press on settings. So it's going to open Microsoft Edge settings tab. You need to go on the left side where it says default browser. Press on default browser, and here it is Internet Explorer compatibility. Let Internet Explorer open sites in Microsoft Edge. So meaning that whenever you're going to access Internet Explorer, it's going to open Microsoft Edge. So you can see it says always recommended. Just press on never, and you're going to press on yes, I am sure. So now if I open Internet Explorer, you're going to see that it is going to open Internet Explorer and it's not going to open Microsoft Edge. So this is the most basic solution of it. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you get notified of my next upcoming video. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.